Yo, what's up guys, it's Doug here, aka DJ Mate, and today we're going to be unboxing, you guys can't see it, but we're going to be unboxing the brand new AirPods Pro, second generation. They're in this box. I haven't unboxed it yet, but yeah, we're going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro, second generation. I'm so excited for these. I'm unbelievably excited. These are probably going to be the best wireless earbuds I'll ever wear in terms of like noise cancellation, transparency, pretty much anything. So let's just get into it. Here they are, boys. Here they are. I'll give you a closer look up. There we go. Here are the AirPods Pro. Super excited. I'm just super excited. Let's keep unboxing it. We got more to go. So let's take this and let's rip it off. Here we go. There you go. Now let's slide the box open. Let's do it live. Designed by Apple in California as always. Love to see it. And I literally, oh my gosh, that could have been bad. This thing literally fell in my lap. I don't know how it did. Yes! I got my own engraving on this. This is my actual name, by the way. I'm not gonna give away my last name, but this is my actual first name. Yep. So it's hard to see it. It pretty much just says Garrett on it, but yeah, that's my actual name. If you guys were wondering. So yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah. There we go. Here we go. Here they are. Oh my gosh. Let's do a comparison. I had the AirPods. I actually had the first generation for the AirPods Pro. Let's take a look. So in my hand is the second generation, and in my left hand is second generation. In my first hand is the first generation. Size difference? Not really. Not really. Not really seeing. No, it's like the same size difference. Let's take a look at the AirPods. Okay. And then they're trying to connect my phone. But yeah, looks like okay. There's already a difference I can see. Okay, I'll try to show you guys the best I can. Look at this. So this is okay. In my hand, this is second generation. Second generation, first generation. Look at that. There's two things. There's two black things on the second generation. You guys can see that, right? And then the first generation, there's literally just one. So that's a difference. I wonder why they did that. I'm not sure why, but yeah, that's the difference. This is the second generation. This is the first generation. That's the difference. And then the one thing about the second generation is that you have this guy right here, right? This is for, I think, if you need to like put it like on your key pocket or something like that. I can't remember what they said it was actually used for, but I know like I can image a picture in my head of what it was. It's pretty much you like plug it instantly here and you can like drag it around something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. Right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see what they actually look like. So look, okay, so like, let's look at the difference here. In this hand is the second generation, and in this hand is the first generation. So there's not really a difference. These I can't really see a difference. Okay, I already know what's the difference. This thing on both of these, this one is bigger. That one's bigger, and this one is smaller. That's smaller. That's small, as you guys can tell. It's smaller. I'm trying to see if I notice anything else like out of the blue. Oh yeah, and they also got removed. This is for the first generation. They removed. There was like a black thing here. They removed it. There wasn't one here. But now there is on this one. This is the second generation. There's one on here, so. And I gotta say, man, I'm loving this. I can't wait to actually use them. And there's my own engraving on it. I didn't get engraving on it. And by the way, your engraving does not cost any money. So if you guys were wondering if you like whatever engraving you want to put on here, like your name or like your YouTube channel, your Twitch or whatever, it does not cost any money. So I highly recommend putting an engraving on it. So if you lose the AirPods, you at least have the case. And there's actually, I think there's like a new thing too. Oh yeah, there's a new thing too as well. That if you lose your case, you can actually use your phone and send it, and if you like connect your AirPods Pro second generation to your phone, you have to press something on your phone, and it'll like a huge beep thing will go off on this case, knowing where it is. So it'll be like beep, 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 It'd be something like that. I'm not sure the exact sound, but it's something like that. And it'll pretty much let you know where your AirPods Pro second generation case is if you lost it. So, which is super nice. I don't think these had that at all. The first generation. I don't think the first generation had that at all. So that's awesome that the second generation has these. Another thing also. Oh yeah, one more thing too. So this is the second generation. Look at that. See how on the first generation there's like just a plug-in. On the second generation there's like I think there's speaker, and these are speakers. And then that's the plug, and that's the cable. And I'm not sure what this is for here. The smaller one. I'm not sure that's what that's for. Oh yeah, and then here's my cable too. This is my cable. Nothing special. This is my cable to plug it in. Yeah. And I actually do have an Apple Watch. One last thing. Sorry. The one last thing with the second generation for the AirPods Pro is that if you have an Apple Watch, I'm not sure which Apple Watch you have to have, but I'm pretty sure that this is my Apple Watch charger right here, and I believe I could take the case and put it on this thing. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It's actually connected. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's actually magnetic. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's actually magnetic. Wow, is it magnetic on the first generation? No, it is. Oh, it is magnetic, but I don't think it's not. Oh yeah, it's more magnetic on the second generation. Yeah, like this barely sticks, cause I don't think the first generation is even meant for this. The second generation is, I think. Yeah, it sticks way better on the second generation for sure. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna keep rambling on with anything else I can think of about the AirPods Pro second generation. Nothing else I can think about. Talk to you guys about yeah, cable. Oh yeah, and then Q-tips right here. I'm not gonna open them, but there's you want the actual size of like the actual like ear thingies. They're in here too. So you get this in the box, the cable, and the AirPods, of course, with the inside. So. Yep, that's it. That's good. That's gonna be it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, if you made it to the end, make sure you comment AirPods Pro so that lets me know if you made it to the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you all.